evaluate the integral of x squared plus 1 over x to the fourth minus x squared plus 1 dx. So this is a rational algebraic expression. But instead of using partial fraction decomposition, I'll try to manipulate the given integrand. So what I will do is, I will multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 over x squared. So doing that, on the numerator, we multiply 1 over x squared to each term. So we'll have x squared over x squared plus 1 over x squared. On the denominator, you distribute also 1 over x squared, multiply to each term. You will have x to the fourth over x squared minus x squared over x squared plus 1 over x squared. Then simplifying, integral of x squared over x squared, that's 1, plus 1 over x squared divided by x to the fourth over x squared, that's x squared, minus x squared over x squared, 1, plus 1 over x squared. Then we can try to manipulate the denominator. Notice that if we have x minus 1 over x quantity squared, if we try to expand the square of this binomial, it is equal to x squared minus minus 2 times x times 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. Or that will be x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared. So we already have that term, x squared and 1 minus x squared. But we don't have the negative 2. Instead, we have negative 1. So in order to produce negative 2, because we need that here, in order to have this form, x minus 1 over x quantity squared, I will try to subtract 1 and add 1 at the same time so that it's balanced. And I will combine the negative 1 minus 1. So that we will have the negative 2 term. So the integral will be 1 plus 1 over x squared over x squared minus 2. Negative 1 minus 1, 2, plus 1 over x squared, and then this plus 1. So we group these three terms, and then we can factor out as a square of a binomial. So we have integral of 1 plus 1 over x squared over x minus 1 over x quantity squared plus 1 dx. But why did I do this in the first place? Because we notice if you let u be equal to x minus 1 over x, getting its derivative, so derivative of u du, derivative of x is 1, minus the derivative of 1 over x. So this negative 1 over x can be written as negative x to the negative 1, right? So applying power rule, the derivative of x to the negative 1 will be negative 1 times x raised to negative 1 minus 1. Then quantity times dx. So simplifying that, we'll have du is equal to 1. Then negative of negative 1, positive. Then x raised to negative 1 minus 1, negative 2. Or this x to the negative 2 is equal to 1 over x squared. Okay, so if we let u equal to x minus 1 over x, we produce from its derivative the remaining term on the integral, on the numerator, right? The 1 plus 1 over x squared dx. which is now just equal to du. So if we substitute, integral of 1 plus 1 over x squared dx is du, over x minus 1 over x is u, raised to the second power plus 1, which yields to, this integral will yield to natural, in inverse tangent, right? This is a standard integral formula already. So the integral of du over u squared plus 1 is arctangent of u. Then don't forget to put plus c for the constant of integration. And then the final step is to substitute back the u in terms of x, which is x minus 1 over x. So the final answer will be arctangent of u, which is x, minus 1 over x plus c.